Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to connect optical cable to Samsung TV. Let's go. You will need a TV, optical cable and a soundbar. Open source, connection guide, audio device, optical. Next, connect the optical cable to the soundbar and to the TV. Optical input highlighted in red. Open Settings. Sound output, select your soundbar. That's it. Now you know how to connect optical cable to Samsung TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.